Man, I cannot get over this view. It is beautiful, beautiful. But it's time to eat. I'm getting hungry. Emma's getting hungry. I've been doing a little bit of work and Emma's been out here reading, and it's been nice and quiet. But because our trailer does not have solar, and again, this setup here, a little simpler. We actually have it plugged in to a generator here. So this is kind of a cool deal. Go ahead and turn that guy. All right. There we go. We're actually borrowing this generator because usually we would never use one. But we don't have any neighbors at all out here. I know that's a concern for some folks. Nope, no problem at all, so not an issue. Now we're trying out Starlink because for the first time we don't have cell reception and we're way out here and it might be nice. So we can power that. I've never used it before. And then we'll also plug in our air fryer, and man, do I love this thing. But cooking outside, it's really nice to have that outlet there. This is great because you don't get the heat inside, it's a smaller space. I will say that little fan works pretty well.
Yeah,
yeah.
It does.
Colty's really enjoying himself out here. He loves getting out here in the wilderness. Oh, it's great. Oh man, that's just our backyard, right? Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Wow. Also, if you are wondering about height, I'm 5'11". I'm sitting all the way up, no shoes on. And I can still get my hand up in there. So under here, I don't hit. Under the fan, I don't hit. So yes, you will want to watch, of course, for the door arch. That's with any RV at all, really.
But they do put the handle to the door a little bit lower, so it forces you to duck a little bit, which is nice.
Yeah.
I put them in air fry at 350 for 30 minutes.
And you can really hear that generator kicking up over there. That chicken is good. Oh yeah, that was quick and easy. And are you gonna do beef?
I'm gonna have, I have some hamburger meat that's already pre-cooked. I'm just gonna heat up again.
Kind of like that. What do you think about that stovetop? I like that.
I like it.
Yeah, that's kind of, looks easier to clean than ours even.
Yeah, for sure.
Potatoes and a view. Look at this. Oh man, not bad.
Our dinners normally come in two parts because the air fryer takes so long. So normally I cook the meat on the stove and then the air fryer does the potatoes, and you get one and then the other.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. That's how we did him anyways. Ah, boy, what a beautiful spot. Moment of truth. All right, do we fit? You know what? We actually do fit.
Sideways, maybe.
Okay, so I've got a little bit of room on my feet are touching this wall. Yeah, I mean,
We don't sleep with our arms crossed like this.
Okay, something's got to change. That's better.
For you, maybe.
Oh, nothing like a good old Little Spoon. You know what? I actually think Little Spoon is best in the E13. Oh, this is where it's at. All right, guys, we'll give you a report in the morning. Let you know how it goes. Well, good morning. It is another beautiful day here. How'd you sleep?
Slept pretty good, actually.
Yeah. I'm surprised that we did not elbow one another in the middle of the night. You sort of just found our sleeping positions, and
Yeah.
now normally Emma likes to have 4 pillows on the bed at any given time. I'm more of a I could do like 1 pillow on my head, 1 on my body, just keeps my chest off the from flat.
When he says I like to have 4 pillows on the bed, that's 2 for him and 2 for me. In this arrangement, Joel got 2 for him and there's 1 for Emma. So.
Did you get the big one?
Yes, because you can fold the big one in half.
But anyways, that being said, there was enough room. There's just enough room. I think it's the right number of pillows, or the maximum number of pillows. Otherwise, it actually was nice. So we slept with the windows open. We got great ventilation in there, and we're surrounded by windows.
Yep.
And then we had the fan on low. Also gave us a little bit of white noise, which was kind of nice. So,
Yeah.
oh, and it's kind of cool because the counter's right there. So we put my laptop there and actually fell asleep watching a movie. I mean, it's perfect height.
Yeah.
So anyways, no complaints there. If I did have any feedback though, I think it would be nice to have a mirror in there.
Yeah, getting ready via cell phone selfie camera is a little trickier than you would think.
Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. But there's only so much space, right? Yeah. So I actually have a spot that I think would be nice. But I'll give Escape that feedback. I mean, it's also one of those things that this is also just fine. I'm sure it's like for us, we didn't have one out in the main way. We just Velcroed one.
We added one, yeah.
So whatever, it's a small deal. And if that's the only complaint that we have, that's pretty dang good. So one last look at these beautiful sights out here. Wow. We are heading out. I want to see about getting a little bit of service so we can get some work done, and then there's always more to explore. Yep. And we are sort of north of Chilliwack. I think we're going to go northwest of Chilliwack. Yeah. We were actually considering kind of going north, then west, then kind of back south, because we need to be very much west. We're going out to Vancouver Island, which is just west. And that would have been a much, much longer trip down a even bumpier, dustier road. So.
Yeah, we're actually not sure what that terrain would have actually looked like because it looks like you're driving straight through the mountains the whole time.
Yeah.
So we're going to go the safer route here, and we're going to go kind of backtrack and go around on like the main highway.
Make a U. Yeah. Instead of an N. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I love this little guy.
I love it. It's so cute. It's so fun.
Yeah.
It's got everything we need.
See you in the next video, guys.
Bye.